When it comes to natural remedies for weight loss, kitchen staples often steal the spotlight. Two popular drinks, Jeera water and chia seeds water, are widely recommended for boosting metabolism and aiding digestion. But which one is more effective for shedding kilos? Let's break it down, guys. Nutritional value. Number 1, Jeera, cumin. Rich in antioxidants and iron. Contains essential oils that stimulate digestion. Low in calories. Number 2, chia seeds. High in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and plant-based protein. Packed with calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Expands when soaked, creating a feeling of fullness. Benefits for weight loss. Number 1, Jeera drink. Boosts metabolism naturally. Reduces bloating and improves digestion. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Number 2, chia seeds drink. High fiber keeps you full longer, reducing snacking. Protein content supports muscle building during weight loss. Helps control appetite and cravings. When to drink them. Jeera water is best consumed in the morning on an empty stomach. Chia seeds water works well mid-morning or as a pre-meal drink to curb hunger. Which is better? If your main goal is improving digestion and metabolism, Jeera water is a quick and effective option. But if you're looking for satiety and long-term weight management, chia seeds water offers better results due to its high fiber and protein content. Both Jeera and chia seeds drinks have unique benefits. For faster metabolic boost, start your day with Jeera water. For sustained fullness and appetite control, make chia seeds water part of your routine. Ideally, combining both can give a balanced edge in your weight loss journey. Want to know more facts of well-being? Then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, buddies. See you next video. Bye.